He's having so much fun. Oh my goodness! Look at those dancing feet. Getting the hang of it now. Ah. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at you go. What are you doing, a little jig? You did a jig when you were first born, too, on St. Patrick's Day. I have pictures for proof. Proof pictures. Yeah. Yeah, I do. Oh. Oh, that's so nice, honey. Yeah. Look at you, honey bun. Just can't stop, huh? It's too much fun. Too much fun! Oh. Are you